Oh my god, what have we done? Nice. Okay, this is where I got to so far. Fireboard in those areas. Done that bit there. There and there. And I've got 2 more boards left to finish off the whole thing. Let's keep going. Over there's an L-shaped bracket and that's just extruding out a little bit. I've actually cut out a little bit of the plasterboard there to allow for that. And then I'm gonna glue that little bit on the end. Time to apply the glue first. This is a gigantic piece. I've scored along the whole length of the 2.4mm board. And now I'm gonna measure and cut down the length. Okay, that should be the same size, or the right size. So as you can see, that's good. All the way through, that's pretty much exactly millimeter flush with that, and then I'm just gonna stick that with adhesive after. Same thing applies to that side. That's the progress so far. Thing. Keep going. Now the other piece. You can also apply the glue directly to the plasterboard and then attach it that way.
Time to PVA the walls upstairs.
That was just PVAing the wall. Some people use a 5:1 mix, some people use 3:1. What did you use? 3:1. Yesterday we did 5:1 just to see how it is to work with both. So yesterday's one was pretty runny, today's less runny, and around 30 minutes depending on the weather, how fast it dries, but generally when it's tacky to the touch, which it's not now, it's wet. When it's tacky, that's when you can start applying the plaster. Oh no. There's a first time for everything. I'm only gonna do quarter bag just to test out our skills. Guys, even you professionals, you had to start from somewhere, and to be honest with you, your mistakes could have been worse than us. Keep that in mind before you comment. Today was just kind of like a test run, and it's not that bad for my first time. And Lizelle done half that wall there, and that's pretty amazing. The first coat always just looks the roughest. If you look at it, obviously ignore this, you kind of blended it out there, but generally like that's how it is. And we still got one more pass to go over with a bit of water. But we're gonna go home, we're losing lights, and we're really hungry. Bye. Oh my god, what have we done?